Are there any negative effects from using exogenous ketones? In otherwise healthy individuals, we have published research supplementing with exogenous ketones twice per day and over several weeks found no negative side effects. The ketogenic diet is a stressor to the body. However, similar to fasting or exercise, it's important to understand the difference between short-term stress, or what we call like eustress or the good stress, versus chronic stress. Similar to how diamonds need pressure and stress to be built, our bodies need occasional stressors in order to stay healthy. However, if you take a diamond and constantly put pressure on it every single day, eventually it will get crushed. The same goes with our health. So it's important to understand the difference between short-term or eustress and long-term or negative stress. That being said, not all ketones are the same. So while Pruvit's ketones are a patented R isomer, most ketones on the market use a blend and ineffective dosing, and they lack safety data. So the same can't be said for all ketones. Lastly, always consult your physician before starting any new routine.